Welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to see how to set up online banking or internet banking for State Bank of India. So to do that, first of all, go to App Store or on your iPhones or Play Store on your Android phones and download the YONO SBI app. Once you have downloaded it, just open it up and you will be able to find three different options at the bottom. So you should be an existing customer to do that. So click on existing customer. You will be able to see three different options again. Now click on register with account details, the third option. So once you click on that, you will be able to see these three steps. So this is to go to a bank and activate it. So just click continue from here. So now you will be able to see a couple of text boxes. Okay, just enter your account number and date of birth here. So now you will receive a text message with the temporary username and password. Now click existing customer and click register with account details and then click yes in the screen so that you can enter your temporary username and password which you received in the text message. So enter your temporary username and password and then click submit. Accept the conditions, click next and set your 6-digit mobile PIN number here and then select next. And now you will receive a one-time password to your mobile number. Enter the one-time password, click next. Now you are successfully registered with YONO SBI app and the internet banking is enabled. So now re-login in the app. You can either enter your 6-digit mobile PIN or enter user ID and password to log in into the app. So do that and you can enable your notifications. So now you are inside the YONO SBI app. You can see all your investments, the loan accounts or the balance on your account. So you can see the account balance. You can click view balance to see it and then you can click the top left corner 3 lines to go to more options on your app. Like you can click on service request to see multiple other e-services that SBI offers, like ordering a new debit card or blocking a debit card or changing PIN number on a debit card. You can set up standing instructions. You can update your Aadhaar or PAN number here, or you can even create new investment options. That's it. Thank you guys. I'm logging off the app. Okay, another thing. So you can go to the desktop site onlinesbi.com to receive your temporary username if you don't get it in your SMS in the previous steps. So for that, click on forget password and then you will see the screen. In the drop down, select forget username and click next. Here you have to enter your details like your CAF number from your passbook and then your registered mobile number and enter your CAPTCHA. Okay, so how to find your CAF number and account number? Just open your SBI passbook to view that in the first page or the face page. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching and please do subscribe to the channel. This is a new channel we have built for sharing these kind of technical solutions that we have in market. Okay, thank you for supporting. Talk to you all later in the next video. Bye guys, take care.